Sorry, you can't, can you?
At Tesco, we believe in real value for money. So you'll always make savings without skimping on quality.
Right, back to our 10. Tally-ho.
A more sophisticated ketchup for a more sophisticated palate. Well, most of the time. Sainsbury's, where good food costs less.
I am here today for a very important battle between retail giants Tesco and Sainsbury's. We want to find out which one is the nation's favourite. So is it really all about every little house or helping everyone eat better? To find out, follow me. Nearly there. I love Sainsbury's. Follow me.
Tesco's the best shop in the world. This is amazing. Tesco's so boring.